Fireworks again.
This time we got sweaters.
Ooh, pretty.
Ooh. I'm afraid they're gonna turn into those big ones that go KABLAM! Like that one. That one was pretty.
I'm surprised they don't light on the houses on fire or something.
No.
That'd be funny.
Like
Oops.
some dude in the neighborhood across from us. Like he was shooting them like right next to the houses. And I was like, you're an idiot.
Oh, you're all dark, but I bet you can see your shooting here. Oh yes, they're so bright. Oh yes,
It's cold.
I know, right? Zoom in on their face. Oh my goodness! It scares me every time.
I need a scare though.
I can see that power.